Hey everybody. Nice sound of the tractor running, ain't it? So we got a heat wave today. It's in the 20s. So yeah, we've tried to, yeah, this wind ain't helping anything. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but so we got a little bit of snow last night, but trying to figure out a couple small projects or a couple things to do where we can stay warm. As you can see, I got all kinds of extra clothes on here trying to stay warm, but I had a thought, so I'll bring you over to show you. We have got all of our firewood here at the house, and obviously you guys see all the small videos that I posted of us using the trusty old log loader, hauling the firewood home. But here you go, take a look. Yeah, that's a pretty good pile. I'm figuring we got 7 or 8 cord of wood there. So I was trying to think of something today, just to get outside a little bit, a little fresh air, but yet stay warm at the same time. So like you just saw a minute ago, I got the tractor running, and we are going to move a pile of odds and ends of firewood that I have tucked in a corner down here in the back behind all the log piles. We're going to move those from that little spot that I got. I just had them out of the way, and we're going to put them up here on this big pile of firewood so that when it comes time springtime and we set everything up to process the firewood, that wood's there and we don't have to try to handle it 20 different times. So I think we'll do that. Put the heat on in the cab of the tractor, turn some tunes on, and move a little bit of firewood around. So here we go. All right, everybody. I think we got it all moved. So this was just odds and ends of logs that I cut down. I cut down a couple trees here at the house last year, and just when I was making the area for all of the saw logs. You'd have to look back in the videos. I'll put a link to that, one of those videos. But we cut down some trees to make a platform for all of the saw logs for the sawmill. So when we was doing that, that's where some of this stuff came. It was just odds and ends of stuff, and I didn't really want to throw it away. I didn't want to get rid of it. It was too good to do that, because not only I could burn it at in the house here, but come springtime, which you guys stay tuned and you'll see, we're going to do all kinds of maple syrup this year. So we've been doing it for the past few years. Hopefully this will be the first year you guys join us, and it's a really good time, and we end up with quite a bit of maple syrup depending on how well the year goes. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. But for now, if you take a look, I really think I don't know, what do you think? I think we got plenty of firewood. There's quite a bit there, and as you can see, it's piled pretty far back there, pretty high back there. So and I might take the old trusty log loader if it warms up a little bit. I try to run it every few days anyway, so we might back up here and take that and use the log loader to repile some of this stuff and put it up higher so it's out of the way, so the pile doesn't stick out quite as much. But as far as that goes, so I think we got it. So appreciate you guys coming along for this little journey, trip, so to speak, in the trusty old John Deere tractor. So if you guys want to see more, just make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and stay tuned, and we'll be doing more stuff next time. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time.